everybody, are you ready to jump in and see what's in the latest Curiosities subscription bead box from John Bead? This month's theme is Passage to India, and it's filled with the shimmering allure of the Taj Mahal, the patterns of Jaipur textiles, and the colors of an Indian spice market. This is such an amazing subscription, and you won't find beads like this anywhere else. John Bead has been buying beads for 70 years. They have warehouses full of beautiful, antique, hard-to-find beads, and they are including them in this subscription bead box. You can't beat it, I'm telling you. Are you ready to jump in? When you first open the box, you always get a beautiful postcard with a story of the inspiration on the back. And when I think of India, I always think of fuchsia, and these 3 strands of 6mm glass rounds are just stunning. In this bag, we have olivine glass rectangles, aqua and gold 12mm glass rounds, and large golden yellow trapeziums. This huge Kelly green bag is filled with opaque check turquoise rolla beads, 6mm matte AB rounds, and check rhombus shaped 2-hole beads in chalk white. Here we have a yellow jade carved flower, wooden beads, metal findings, antique silver fancy tube beads, and 2.5mm satin silver crimps. Look at these super special cloisonné turtle beads and these wonderful glass elephants with gold detail mixed with these exciting Roki striped yellow beads. I love the mix of patterns and colors. It's everything I love about India. John Bead always includes wonderful seed beads, and here we have 3 tubes of opaque pony beads in medium green, white, and orange. In this bag we have glass flower beads in cobalt blue, cobalt hearts with white flowers, glass rhombus shapes in metallic golds, blacks, metallic blues, and whites. Just stunning. I love the design on these hand-painted wooden ovals. Hand-painted, my friends! These oval check green and metallic gold glass beads are right up my alley, so rich looking. John Bead always includes unique findings like these Kumi Himo silver end caps and toggle set with matching jump rings. This huge clear pillow box is jam-packed with check black and capri rose rhombus beads, pink silk rhombus beads, vintage yellow rhinestones, pink glass AB coated leaves, pink seed pearls, and glass cubes. Whew! This gold and lavender trim, 2 full yards, would look amazing stitched on almost anything. You could even hang a pendant from it. Why not? These multicolor mixes always turn me on, and here we have 23 grams of seed beads and another mix in a larger glass pony bead. Look at the amazing colors. Here's some beautiful amber beaded trim and 160 feet of 10-pound hemp cord in blue, green, red, and yellow. John Bead knows you can never have enough beading needles. And finally, our collectible pin and sticker commemorating the theme of this month's box. Wow! I'm going to leave a link in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. And if you want to see projects I don't share anywhere else, check me out on Patreon. I'll leave a link for that as well. If you want inspiration, grab one of my craft books. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts, and I'll see you real soon. Bye everybody.